Yeah. I'm so looking forward to go on this Only Hams meetup.
Good morning from somewhere in Sweden, just north of Gothenburg, or quite a bit north of Gothenburg. And it's of course time for the annual TEHRS meetup, this time in the Black Forest of Germany. Driving down right now with Umar, LB3 Whiskey Kilo. Mihai, LB9 Hotel India, is in the car behind us, and we're meeting up with Simon, SA6 TIG, a little bit south of here. And well, then I'm gonna hop into Simon's car, drive to southern Sweden, ferry to Denmark, through Denmark, ferry to Germany, and then Germany, and we'll see how far we get. We're picking up Steve, Mike 1 Sierra Delta Hotel, and Steve Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilo, and Brent Victor Echo something, I can't remember Brent's call sign right now, in Frankfurt at noon tomorrow. It is now Wednesday, it's 5:50 a.m. We've been on the road for roughly hour, I think, hour, perhaps a little bit more, yeah, got several hours ahead of us. We'll see how far south we managed to get today, but hopefully somewhere in southern Sweden. And as last year, 20-ish operators from a whole lot of different countries meeting up to play radio, Parks on the Air, Summits on the Air, Worldwide Bunkers on the Air, talk nerd stuff, drink beer, eat German food. Please join me for the journey. It's going to be a lot of fun. So driving electric all the way to Germany, Mihai. Is that feasible?
Good morning. I just realized this was a bit open. 40% from your home.
Yeah.
It's a nice car, this MG.
It's a bit more range than my Leaf, because I would have had at least one stop before I got here.
Yeah, it seems good. I have just to start this one. Give me just 1 second. Hi, I'm Omar. I identify as LB3 Whiskey Kilo. I'm on my way. I'm starting to get on my way to meet up with the rest of the guys to have a wonderful small week in Germany on the European Ham Radio show. So looking forward to it.
Ja, vi får se hva vi finner ut av. Jeg tenker vi prøver å komme oss til Danmark så fort som mulig. Vi kan vel reise en time før, sa Simon her, så vi ser hvor vi ender opp. Men rundt Halmstad er det greit å stoppe og tanke og litt sånn, tenker jeg. And look at this, guys. Omar's filling blinker fluid on his BMW.
And it's of course the German brand.
It's the German brand blinker fluid, so that'll be good. So this just happened. We tried to check into the ferry. According to ticket, we can take any ferry an hour before our ticket is valid. And strangely enough, we're ahead of schedule. But we can't check in before an hour before the ticket is valid, so there's no way we can get the ferry we plan to do. So now we're at the ferry terminal here, waiting for the ferry to Denmark, and doing the second border crossing of the day for most of us, and the first border crossing of the day for this guy over here.
Good morning, I'm Joachim, Oscar Zulu / Lima Bravo 4 Lima India in this instance. I'm currently activating Denmark's second highest peak for a Sota and a Pota combined, and I'm on my way to the TEHRS Meetup in Black Forest, Germany.
Hi, I'm Steve, Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt. Looking forward to a trip over to the European Ham Radio Show's Meetup. Hope to hear you all on the air.
Okay, we're not only driving through Norway, Sweden, Denmark and Germany, we're also doing an activation. We have a little bit of time to spare before the ferry to Germany. Mihai is charging his car, so it's only the three of us now doing this. We have set up the following equipment. We have the 7100 here on, Simon's been kind and put it on my frequency. That warms my heart. On a window mount and a ham stick. We need to do this relatively quick. So I'm going to set up the camera and then we'll try to do past the mic. And since we're 3 operators, we need 6 QSOs and we're going to have the last ones on 2 meter and 70.
Florida for Italy Lima Hotel, correct?
Florida for Lima Hotel, good afternoon, 5 by 3, 53,
53 for me, yeah, 59 for you. Can I have your call sign again, please?
Our doldrums are in full effect and 20 meter died on us, but we've resorted to FD8 and let's see if that actually works. Doesn't seem to be a lot of luck here now either, so we'll see how far we can go. I can hear stations, but hopefully they can hear us too. I managed to activate. Simon is activating now. Combination of FD4, FD8 and FM on 2 meter 70 centimeter. Omar is next. Omar needs 2, Simon needs 1. So then we'll have the park activated hopefully in time for the ferry. Let's see if Omar can make his last 2 and then we'll be good. Okay, that went pretty well, or it depends how you define well, of course. We all managed 10 in the log. A combination of 2 meter 70 centimeter FM talking to each other and Mihai who's charging his car. We're on his way to meet him now. Simon had 1 sideband contact. Me and Omar needed to finish off on FD8 and FD4 and Simon did the last on FD4. So we managed 10 QSOs each in the park. So we've done a park in Denmark now. Happy with that. Next step is the ferry to Germany and then we'll see what happens. So we'll see you when we board the ferry and on the way to Germany.
And let's see, dinner is served. Omar, what did you go for?
Today I went for the currywurst.
Proper German food.
Yeah, it's proper. I think it's healthy.
Yeah, this is almost getting to a food blog now.
Yeah.
Mihai, what did you go for?
Fish and chips this evening, and
proper Danish soda, and that's the taste of '92. The one I got earlier had the taste of Old Boys. The one I get has the taste of Assist. So I'm not sure what this Danish soda is.
Yeah, we'll see.
Of course, I went for the fish and chips myself. So hopefully it's good, or it is good. I've tasted already. So we're on the ferry to Germany now. The plan once we reach Germany is to drive 4 or 5 hours south and see where we end up, and then Frankfurt tomorrow morning.
That one time at the ham camp.
Hi, I'm Lima Bravo 8 Victor Alpha, Ivar. I'm on the way to the European Ham Radio Show Meetup in Pforzheim, Black Forest, Schwarzwald, to do what it says on my t-shirt. See you later.
We're between Hamburg and Hanover now, and the plan is to reach Göttingen and find a hotel there, and then continue on to Frankfurt tomorrow. So I don't think there will be much more radio from us today, but yeah, I'll be back once we find a hotel, and then we'll close day one of this TEHRS Meetup road trip video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Germany, where you can buy beer at the soda machine. Let's see if Omar can make that work. It says boom.
Euro.
And it says
Look at
and Omar got a beer from the machine.